Welcome to the radio channel, and of course, we will be looking, as we are Monday, February 18th, what will propagation be like on the shortwave bands, and what is the solar activity like this week? Well, we start with this big canyon-shaped coronal hole in the middle of the sun, and of course, this is spewing out some solar wind towards us. Now, this actually could trigger, according to some reports, geomagnetic storming, minor geomagnetic storms of the G1 force. And this is going to happen a little later, like probably late tomorrow into Wednesday, maybe the 20th of February. So this is going to be something to look out for. Here they say arrival February 19th or 20th, and G1 class geomagnetic storms. Auroras, Arctic auroras, and everything are possible, so we're going to check that. Of course, if we looked at the K-index in the past 3 days, it's been pretty good. K-index been rather low, so propagation has been quite interesting in the past few days. And even though maybe the weekend on Saturday night, I noticed the propagation was maybe not as good as it's been in some of the days of last week, we should enjoy some interesting propagation today, Monday, tomorrow, Tuesday. We'll see starting, late tomorrow or maybe Wednesday, if that solar wind arrives, what's going to happen. Solar flux, of course, around the 70 mark, which is interesting. There's something on the sun disk, but it doesn't seem to be actually doing any sunspots right now. But there is an active region when we look at the sun surface. You could see here on the left side of the picture this active region, very bright region, but it doesn't seem to be piercing the surface with a sunspot. But it is still some active region there, so something could show up there. We never know. So look for interestingly nice propagation today and tomorrow probably, but it might degrade as we move on in the next few days because of the solar wind coming in. Last week we talked about that, and pretty much all week nothing really bad did happen with the solar wind coming through. So let's cross our fingers that maybe it's not going to be too bad this week either. Tune in the bands. It's always fun to listen to all of the signals all around the band. 20 meters has been great. Some 15-meter activity have been detected also, so check it out. Maybe you can even hear some stuff on the higher frequency ranges. And of course, there's sporadic E-skip and all sorts of phenomena that might ignite 11 or 10-meter bands. So always tune around. You never know what you can listen to. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.